I'm working on our upcoming event at the Home and Patio Show. I Know Jax is sponsoring the cooking demo stage, and we have a lot of cool demos scheduled. Now, I'm working together with Carrie Speckman on this, and I think we're outdoing ourselves this time. We're going to be live streaming every cooking demo onto our Facebook page, and here's what's going on the cooking stage. That's September 27th through 30th. We're going out strong on Thursday with Food Truck Thursday demos with Kakalakis, Pie 95, Nitrogen Creamery, Latin Soul, Jama's Jax, and since it's Oktoberfest time right now, we're also, of course, having Wurstbuster show up with some German sausages and stuff. These local food trucks will be at the Home and Patio Show on Friday and Sunday serving. So let's move on to Friday, September 28th, where we have chefs from local restaurants. First up is Crispy's in Springfield, followed by my friend Garrett from the Fish Company. Now, I think Garrett has been out pretty much every year doing cooking demos with me. And then we have Dwayne from Bread and Board, and he's returning, as well as Sarah from Hottie Dawgs. Now, Sarah was recently on the show and made me a whole flight of gourmet hot dogs and bourbon peach cobbler on the grill. Now, Erica Klein from Bleu Chocolate, she's another one of those celebrities who's been on the Food Network and cooked for James Beard Foundation, so you know her stuff is going to be super tasty. On Saturday, we're starting out with Shane from Burn Ends Barbecue. Now, he's been on the show several times, as well as this guy, Kenny Gilbert. Now, Chef Kenny is known from Top Chef, Season 7, and I've heard that he even cooked Thanksgiving dinner for Oprah. He has a restaurant on the South Side and one at the beach and another one on Amelia Island. Now, he's followed by another superstar, Dennis Chan from Blue Bamboo, who recently won a huge national competition for his delicious cake. Now, we actually had our last I Know Jax dinner at Blue Bamboo, and I know his food is super cool, and he's a good guy too. Now, we have Celestia Mobley with some awesome food, and we have Michelle from The Sweet Spot, and Andrea Bryant doing something sweet too. Wrapping up Saturday is Matt from Cultured Foods. Now, I told you we had an impressive lineup, and I'm not done yet. I'm also excited about Sunday. We're starting out with the Gourmet Realtor, who's going to make us some great food. Jeff Spear, who, if you watch I Know Jax at all, you know he's the Gadget Guy. Also, Leaf and Bean is coming out to do a cooking demo. And after that, we're doing a special block with two chefs, Chef Maddie Gilligan and Chef Rosario Kamada. We're working together with a nonprofit, Waste Not, Want Not, who rescue food from retail and restaurants. They're going to use rescued food and create a gourmet dish from it. I don't even think they'll know the ingredients they're having until the day of. So it's going to be the I Know Jax version of a rescued food challenge with the audience as a judge. Yes, all these demos will have samples, so you need to make sure you show up. Now, if you can't make it to the event, you will still be able to participate by watching and asking questions, because I'm going to be live streaming all the demos on our Facebook page for the whole event. So make sure you join in and ask questions, at least say hello. Now, I'm going to do my best to answer all the questions from the stage. Now, if you don't know much about rescued food, here's Sandra from Waste Not Want Not.
Waste Not Want Not is a food rescue organization. It's volunteer driven. Our volunteers rescue food from stores, restaurants, farmers' fields, neighbors' citrus trees. We consolidate it here at Waste Not Want Not, and we provide it to other nonprofits in 10 counties that are serving the needy, whether they're food pantries, soup kitchens, missions, group homes, things like that. That's how we try and put good food to good use. So our mission is twofold. It's to prevent the waste of items that can be used to fight hunger and poverty. So if something is going to be wasted, we try and rescue it if we have somebody that we can give it to that can use it. So any kind of food that can be put to good use, we try and rescue. We send our volunteers out on rescues, as we call them. That is a term of art. They go to the stores and they pick up whatever's being donated and bring it to us so that we can share it with others. So we serve group homes for challenged individuals, group homes for recovering alcoholics, for prisoners who finish their time in jail. We serve food pantries of all sizes and shapes, soup kitchens, missions, and day centers as well. We also do some weekend backpack programs and other things to help children that are lacking in food, both in school, after school, and on the weekends. In 2005, we incorporated as a standalone non-for-profit. We are standalone just like any other nonprofit, 501c3. And we moved into our current location in 2008, and last year, for the first time, we rescued more than 2 million pounds of food in a single year. So 2.2, actually.
Very cool.
For every dollar that we spent last year, we were able to provide 14 pounds of food to those in need. So every little bit counts, no matter how little or how much you have to donate, we would be most grateful.
The Home and Patio Show takes place at the Prime Osborne, September 27th through the 30th. Now, I'm giving away tickets to the event. You can win 2 tickets for you and a friend. Just go to iknowjax.com/giveaway and sign up.